Have you ever looked at someone else's life and thought, why are they so successful? And I'm not. You scroll through social media, and there it is again. Someone showing off their dream house, their perfect relationship, their big achievements. And deep inside, a little voice whispers, I'll never be as good as them. But what if I told you, comparing yourself to others is like a fish trying to fly like a bird? No matter how hard it tries, it will always feel like a failure, even though it was born to master the ocean. Today's story will open your eyes and change the way you see yourself forever. Listen closely, because every moment of this story has the power to free you from the prison of comparison. Once there was a small village near a town, and beside that village was a big and beautiful forest. In that village lived a boy named Lucas. He was a hardworking and kind boy. But there was one habit that made him feel sad all the time. He always compared himself to others. When he saw his friend Levi always getting the best grades in class, Lucas would think, I wish I were as smart as him. His neighbor Ryan was very rich, and Lucas would think, I wish I had money like him. Even if he saw someone running fast, he would think, why can't I run that fast? These thoughts made Lucas feel more and more unhappy. He couldn't focus on his studies. He didn't enjoy doing anything. All the time he would think, I'll never be like them. One day, a wise old man visited the village. Everyone called him Grandpa Samuel. He always gave helpful advice, and people loved listening to him. Lucas went up to him and said, Grandpa, I work really hard, but when I see someone doing better than me, I feel really sad. It feels like I'll never be like them. Grandpa Samuel smiled and said, Come to the oldest tree in the village tomorrow morning. You'll find all your answers there. The next morning, Lucas went to the tree. Grandpa Samuel was already waiting there. He said, Look around carefully. What do you see? Lucas looked around and said, Grandpa, there are so many different trees. Some are tall, some are short, some have lots of fruit, and some have none. Grandpa Samuel smiled and said, Now think if this apple tree compared itself to the coconut tree and said, Why am I so short? Or if the coconut tree said, I wish I had sweet fruit like apples, how would that sound? Lucas laughed and said, That would sound really silly, Grandpa. Then Grandpa Samuel asked, Okay, now tell me, how does this whole forest feel to you? Lucas replied, It feels very peaceful and beautiful. Everything seems just right, Grandpa Samuel said, just like life. Every tree in this forest has its own special quality. In the same way, every person also has different strengths. The apple tree gives sweet fruit. The coconut tree is tall and strong. They are different, but both are important. Then Grandpa Samuel took Lucas near a pond. There were many fish swimming in the water, and a little further away, a bird was flying in the sky, Grandpa Samuel said. Now imagine if the fish said, I wish I could fly like the bird. Would that be right? Lucas said, Not at all. Fish are made for swimming, and birds are made for flying. Grandpa Samuel smiled gently and said, Then why do you want to be like someone else? You have your own path. You have many good qualities too. Maybe you just don't see them yet. Find your strengths and move forward with them. After hearing Grandpa Samuel's words, something changed inside Lucas. He understood that every person is different, and comparing yourself to others only brings more pain. From that day, Lucas stopped comparing himself to anyone, started focusing on his own talents and his own work. Slowly, his confidence came back. Life began to feel fresh and exciting again. A few years later, through hard work, Lucas built his own business. He became an inspiration for the whole village. Whenever someone asked him, How did you become so successful? He would smile and say, Never compare yourself to others. If a fish tries to fly, it will always feel like a failure. But if it focuses on swimming, it can own the whole ocean. Remember, the sun and the moon don't shine at the same time, but both are important. Find your path. Walk it in your own way. That's when real success comes. If you liked this story, give it a like and share it with others. See you again with a new story.